Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your adult photo into a child photo using Pippit AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to visit the website. You can type in Pippit.ai or you can click the join link on my YouTube description. Once you go to this website, you can sign in with your Google account. Then you can earn credits for free. And if you want to create a photo or image, you can go to the home and select image feature. And you're going to upload your adult photo. I'm going to use, I'm going to use this photo. And for the prompt, guys, you can use this prompt. Actually, for the prompt, it's up to you. But this is for mine. You can copy this prompt if you want, and I'm going to send the prompt and also the image to the AI and let the AI turn this photo into a child photo. And it's free guys. For creating an image, it's free, but if you want to make talking photo with AI, you need some credits. And also if you want to make your avatar, but for this one, it's free. Alright, and these are the results. And you can choose the best one. I think the best one is this photo. So I'm going to download this one. Click on download. And I'm going to choose without watermark. Okay guys, and that's how you can turn your adult photo into a child photo using Pippit AI for free. I hope this video will be useful for you guys, and if you want to try Pippit AI, you can click the join link on my YouTube description and start exploring the feature for photo or video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!